Welcome back to Spy Garage.
The 2025 BMW Campervan Royalty Limousine is a daring conceptual leap for the Bavarian marque, merging the unmatched luxury and driving dynamics of a BMW limousine with the adventurous spirit and practical utility of a high-end campervan. Although no such vehicle has been officially announced, the idea alone conjures up a vision of unparalleled opulence on wheels, a bespoke mobile sanctuary tailored to the most discerning clientele. Externally, the 2025 BMW Campervan Royalty Limousine would likely retain the commanding presence and signature design elements of BMW's flagship limousines, including the iconic kidney grille and adaptive LED headlights. These familiar features would be seamlessly integrated into a larger, elongated body structure that discreetly conceals its campervan functionalities. The vehicle's silhouette would be elegantly stretched, possibly incorporating a subtle roof extension or pop-up mechanism that maintains a sleek profile when not in use. High-gloss finishes, precision-engineered alloy wheels, and discreet chrome accents would underscore its royalty status, projecting an air of sophisticated exclusivity. Aerodynamic considerations would be paramount, ensuring stability and reducing wind noise, even at cruising speeds, contributing to the serene cabin environment. The interior is where the royalty limousine aspect would truly shine, offering an unprecedented level of luxury and customization. The front cockpit would maintain BMW's driver-centric philosophy, albeit with expanded controls for the campervan functions. The rear cabin, however, would transform into a lavish, multifunctional living space. Sumptuously appointed seating, possibly individual reclining captain's chairs upholstered in the finest merino leather, with integrated massage and climate control, would provide the ultimate comfort. These seats could swivel to form a sophisticated lounge area around a custom-built, perhaps electrically deployable, table. The campervan elements would be artfully concealed within bespoke cabinetry and panels crafted from exotic wood veneers, polished aluminum, and ambient LED lighting. Amenities would extend far beyond typical recreational vehicles. A compact yet fully equipped gourmet kitchenette featuring high-end, silent appliances, a dedicated climate-controlled wine cooler, and bespoke crystal glassware storage would cater to culinary desires. A private, spa-like bathroom would include a pressurized shower and high-quality fixtures. For rest, a comfortable, perhaps Murphy-style, bed would fold out, designed with premium bedding. Cutting-edge technology would be integrated throughout, including a sophisticated infotainment system with multiple large-format screens, satellite internet connectivity, and a state-of-the-art sound system. Advanced noise cancellation and vibration dampening would ensure a whisper-quiet interior, cocooning occupants from the outside world. At the heart of the 2025 BMW Campervan Royalty Limousine would be a powerful yet refined BMW powertrain, potentially a robust inline-six or V8, optimized for smooth cruising and ample torque to handle the vehicle's considerable weight. An advanced air suspension system would guarantee a sublime ride quality, self-leveling and adapting to various road conditions. This vehicle would cater to an ultra-niche market of individuals who demand the ultimate in mobile luxury, desiring a vehicle that serves as both a high-status limousine and an uncompromised personal retreat for extended journeys.